Tampa homeowners know that managing heat and humidity is essential for maintaining a comfortable and energy-efficient home. With long, hot summers and strong sun exposure throughout much of the year, windows play a critical role in regulating indoor temperatures. Picture windows, known for their large, fixed glass design, offer more than just beautiful views. They also provide valuable energy efficiency benefits when designed and installed properly. One of the most significant advantages of picture windows is their ability to reduce air leakage. Because picture windows are fixed and do not open, they have fewer moving parts compared to other window styles. This allows for a tighter seal around the frame, preventing conditioned air from escaping and hot outdoor air from entering. In Tampa's climate, this airtight design helps maintain a consistent indoor temperature and reduces the strain on air conditioning systems. Another key benefit is advanced glass technology. Modern picture windows are often equipped with multi-pane glass that includes insulating layers between each pane. These layers slow down heat transfer, making it more difficult for outdoor heat to enter the home. In Tampa, where temperatures can rise quickly, this added insulation helps keep interiors cooler and more comfortable without relying heavily on cooling systems. Low emissivity, low E, coatings are especially important for picture windows in warm climates. These coatings are designed to reflect infrared heat while still allowing natural light to pass through. This means homeowners can enjoy bright, sunlit rooms without the added heat that typically comes with large windows. Low E glass also helps reduce glare and protect interior furnishings from fading caused by ultraviolet rays. Picture windows also contribute to energy efficiency by maximizing natural light. Their expansive glass surface allows sunlight to fill the room, reducing the need for artificial lighting during the day. In Tampa homes, where sunlight is abundant, this can lead to noticeable savings on electricity while creating a brighter and more inviting living space. Proper placement of picture windows can further enhance their efficiency. Installing them in areas that receive indirect sunlight or combining them with shading elements such as overhangs or landscaping can help control heat gain. Strategic placement allows homeowners to take advantage of natural light while minimizing exposure to intense afternoon sun, which is common in Tampa. Frame materials also play an important role in overall energy performance. High-quality materials such as vinyl and fiberglass are designed to resist heat transfer and maintain a strong seal over time. These materials do not warp or deteriorate easily, even in humid conditions, ensuring that the window continues to perform efficiently for years. A well-insulated frame complements the glass design and enhances the overall effectiveness of the window. Another benefit of picture windows is their ability to support consistent indoor temperatures. By reducing heat gain and preventing air leaks, they help create a stable indoor environment. This not only improves comfort but also allows HVAC systems to operate more efficiently. When heating and cooling systems do not have to work as hard, homeowners can enjoy lower energy bills and extended equipment lifespan. Durability is another factor that contributes to long-term efficiency. Picture windows are built to withstand exposure to sun, humidity, and changing weather conditions. Their fixed design reduces wear and tear, ensuring that seals remain intact and performance remains consistent over time. This reliability makes them a smart investment for homeowners looking to improve energy efficiency without frequent maintenance. Professional installation is essential to maximize these benefits. Even the most energy-efficient window will not perform properly if it is not installed correctly. A precise installation ensures a tight fit, proper sealing, and optimal positioning, all of which contribute to better energy performance. In conclusion, picture windows offer a range of energy efficiency benefits for Tampa properties. From reducing air leakage and controlling heat transfer to maximizing natural light and supporting consistent indoor temperatures, they provide both comfort and cost savings. With the right materials, thoughtful placement, and professional installation, picture windows can be a valuable addition that enhances both the efficiency and beauty of any home in Tampa.